Hey everyone, welcome back. I'm Greg the Vibe Coder. This is lesson 3.3, Simple Calculator. We're building a fully working console calculator that adds, subtracts, multiplies, and divides, and keeps running until you tell it to quit. This is the last C# console lesson, and it's a good one to finish on. Same 4 steps as always. Let's go. Step 1. Copy the prompt. Here's the prompt for this lesson. Write a C# console calculator application. The user chooses an operation, add, subtract, multiply, or divide, then enters 2 numbers. The program displays the result. After showing the result, ask if they want to calculate again. If yes, loop back to the start. If no, say goodbye and exit. Handle divide by 0 with a friendly error message. Keep the code clean with comments. I'm copying that now. Step 2. Paste into AI new chat. Paste, enter. There it is. A complete working calculator. Notice what's in there. A menu, input handling, a loop so it keeps running, and a divide by 0 check. The AI built all of that from 1 sentence. I didn't type a single line of code. Step 3. Run the code visualstudio. Create a new project. Console app. C#. I'm calling this one calculator. Create. Control+A to select the starter code. Delete. Control+V to paste ours in. F5. There's the menu, add, subtract, multiply, divide. I'll pick add. First number in 24, second number 18. Result is 42. Now it asks, calculate again? Yes, let's try divide. 100 divided by 4, 25. Now let's try the one the AI handled for us. Divide by 0. Pick divide. First number, 10. Second number, 0. Can't divide by 0. No crash, no ugly red error. A friendly message and it loops right back to the menu. That was 1 sentence in the prompt. Handle divide by 0 with a friendly error message. Done. 1 more. Let's quit. Pick number, goodbye, console closes. Step 4. Vibe tweak. The tweak for this lesson, add a 5th operation, power. Raise the first number to the power of the second. Find where the 4 menu options are listed in the code. Right after option 4, divide, add 5, power, x to the power of y. Then in your switch or if block, add the case for 5 and use math.pow, num1, num2. Or just tell your AI. Add a 5th option called power that raises the first number to the power of the second. Paste the updated code, run it. Pick power, enter 2 and 8. Result, 256. One new option, one new calculation. That's the tweak. Extra credit. If you want to keep going, here's the extra credit prompt. Add a calculation history to the calculator. Every time a result is shown, add it to a list. Add a sixth menu option called Show History that prints all previous calculations in order. Add a seventh option called Clear History that wipes the list. Paste that into your AI with your current code and it'll wire it all up. Now your calculator remembers everything it calculated in the session. Really useful pattern, storing results in a list, and you'll see it show up again later. Reflection. Before we move on, here's the reflection for this lesson. You built 3 C# programs, a greeter, a date calculator, and a working calculator. C# is used in AAA video games, enterprise software, and Windows apps. You just use the same language. Think about that. Same language as Unity, same language as enterprise backends. You're not in tutorial territory anymore. That's lesson 3.3 done. And that wraps up the entire C# console section. Next up is WPF, and this is where it gets really interesting. WPF is real Windows desktop apps, actual Windows with buttons, forms, and layouts. Most beginner coding sites skip it entirely. We're going straight in. Links to everything are below. The lesson page, the Kindle book, the full playlist. Hit subscribe so you don't miss the WPF lessons. See you in lesson 4.1.